Hello guys. Today we are featuring Kalba, a city in the Emirate of Sharjah in the United Arab Emirates. It is an exclave of Sharjah lying on the Gulf of Oman coast north of Oman.
Kalba, Kalba Creek, an important nature reserve and mangrove swamp, is located south of the town by the Omani border. The distance between Dubai and Kalba is approximately 140 kilometers, which can be covered in 90 minutes by road. The Kalba beach, as part of a new initiative by the government, is being transformed into a leading hub of tourism in the Emirates' eastern region.
With restaurants, cafes, kiosks, children's zone and other facilities, this peaceful and beautiful enclave will feature diverse entertainment options and public services.
The Kalba Mangrove Center was opened in the spring of 2021 as a sanctuary to protect the 300-year-old mangroves' biodiversity and local wildlife, help rehabilitate turtles, and nurture endangered birds.
It consists of several pod-like structures inspired by sea urchins with minimal environmental impact and includes a visitor center, veterinary clinics, and laboratories. Crabs, sea cucumbers, starfish, various crustaceans and sea urchins are found in the center. Which was inaugurated recently in March 2022. The 60-meter clock tower is in the middle of the square and designed in such a way that it can be seen from all parts of the city. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video on Kalba. See you again.